We're back for more mystery pin unboxing. We have 3 of a brand new set that came out. It's been hiding around the park. Found these on Shopdisney actually.
These are custom cake creations. And it looks like we have all the typical princesses. It's an 8-pin collection, 2 in each box.
Tia looked for these things everywhere. And then one day they popped in Shopdisney. I was like, oh, is this them?
I saw them on the Instagrams.
We're gonna do these box by box and not just as a big clump.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Those are big.
Oh,
I wasn't expecting it to be that big. So the first pin is
Aladdin. I like it.
I was expecting them to be like an inch. These things are like this big. Here we go.
Oh, we got
That bell.
Tiana.
That's Tiana.
That's so pretty.
Cool. All right. Well, we got
Woo! 2
Those-
different ones.
and it's been jinxed. Box number 2.
What's that?
Box number 2.
Dang
Pin
it.
number 1.
Tiana again.
All right. So let me explain how these were bought. 2 of these boxes were bought at the same time. 1 box was bought weeks and weeks later. I highly expect this other pin to be one that we already have now.
Yep, the exact same 2.
All right, box number 3. Here we go. Please not a duplicate.
Feel the dadgum. If this is Aladdin,
It is
I'm
Aladdin. We already know it's
so
Aladdin.
mad.
Golly.
So excited. Disney. That is dirty pool.
3 boxes. This is exactly like when we did the coffee cup pins. We bought at least 3 packs, if not more. They were on discount. Every single one of them had the same thing in them. You said somebody had that problem with the keys, the mystery keys.
We got some random
It's a mystery.
snack, desserts,
The key.
keys.
Yeah, like the little plastic key, and it was a mystery key.
And they were on sale, so I think a lot of people were purchasing a lot of them at once, and people were saying in the comments on Shop Disney that they got they ordered 12 and they got 8 Minnie Mouse, and
Like, I don't
that was in
understand that.
multiple
Like, these are supposed to be randomly sorted, where they just dump them in boxes randomly. That's not random. These 2 pins are gonna go in this box, and we're gonna have 1,000 boxes of this. I don't like that. I like when it's random, completely random. This is not random. These were produced this way, and I don't like it. If you buy stuff from Shopdisney, mystery pin wise, chances are this is what's gonna happen.
So we have 3 Aladdin and 3 Princess and the Frog. So we still need
All of the
6
other
more
ones.
pins to complete our collection.
I hate mystery pins.
Yet we keep buying them. Do you like collecting mystery pins from Walt Disney World Resort or Disneyland? Do you buy them from Shop Disney? Do you only buy them when you're in the park? Let us know in the comments below. Have you had similar situation from Shop Disney where you buy multiples and you get the exact same pins in each box or package? Let us know in the comments below. But until next time,
No capes.